Plyometric training and power development are essential to any athletic-based training program. Now in its third edition, High-Powered Plyometrics is the definitive guide on the development of explosive power, strength, and speed. Written by James Radcliffe, renowned strength and conditioning coach at University of Oregon, High-Powered Plyometrics applied over 50 years of research and experience to create a hands-on guide exploring the principles of high-intensity plyometric training, power assessments, and development of long and short-term conditioning programs. You'll find detailed photo sequences, step-by-step instructions, coaching cues, and intensity guidelines to ensure correct technique for 85 exercises that increase power in the core, upper body, and lower body. The new edition has been updated and expanded to include over 90 preparatory exercises for power activation within a warm-up and a new chapter on advanced methods of explosive power training. In addition, it offers more detailed guidance on assessments and how the results should shape programming, including access to 6 sample programs tailored to specific sports like football, basketball, track and field, volleyball, and more. High-Powered Plyometrics is a must-have for sport performance coaches, dedicated high-level athletes, and anyone in search of explosive power that will give you an edge you've been looking for. Get your copy on the Human Kinetics website, us.humankinetics.com.